Okay, you all stand around and watch this movie. I gotta work.
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
He's the only one.
Here we are. We've got the car out here. We've taken off all the extra parts to lighten the body, like the radiator and the hood, and the deck cover, and the seats and the top. So we're ready to do a body lift. Right now, Kurt is taking off the last of the body bolts that hook the body to the frame. So we're going to lift that body with this contraption here, and we're going to put these straps over the body anchors on each side. So this will be the thing that lifts the body, and we're going to put one at the front of this bird cage, which is the body structure that's underneath the fiberglass, and we're going to put the other one at the other end of it.
Okay. I wonder if you can tell how you're doing.
Well, when it starts to lift, we'll know.
Well,
let me put a little more jack on it and see what's happening.
That's just the front end's going again, honey.
How are we doing on that side?
The back end didn't move at all.
does that help?
Yeah. Well, it's got, the chassis has to come forward more, and they won't do that because of the lift.
What if you started swinging it to the side? Oh, I see. If you, well, okay, here we go. How about this? Isn't this a Chinese fire drill? What if we put the dollies on the back? Okay, that would get it up off of the exhaust. Okay, and you could swing this out here like this, right?
Probably not as well as we'd like, because it's pretty close to not sliding underneath the body over there. But
especially when I pick it up.
But I'm pretty convinced that if I take these wheels off on the front and I get a little more vertical out of the front.
Yeah, but it's going to be, you're going to drop it, well, I don't know, you're going to drop it right on the exhaust pipe on that thing.
Yeah. So it'll sit on that exhaust pipe on that side, but not on this side.
I'd never make it in NASCAR. No, I guess it does have to be like more. Now let's see what these are.
No wheels.
That looks good, and that looks
Put a little jack in one corner here to lift him up and
for what now?
let him slide.
Well, are we just twisting it out?
We're going sideways.
We're going this way.
Yeah.
We're going to push it this way.
Yeah. He's only got about a foot or something back there. He's ready to come out.
You're not getting my plumber's side, are you?
No. I'm getting from your waist up. We want to be able to put this on television, you know. Show your grandson. Okay, what are you doing? You're cutting the bolt?
To get out the gas tank.
To get out.
Let's turn it over and cut away from the tank, let's say. What we do?
All right.
Try. I'm loose again. I'm loose again. Are we doing any good? You need something light to look at it?
No, I mean, I don't know if we're doing any good.
Yikes. Gas tank gone. Gas tank. Parked.
How you doing in the video?
I don't know. No, I'm not good.
This video, where we think we only need about 3 inches or 4 inches, so. You can't push him? You gotta tug him?
Let me try a pull. Or push me, pull you.
You can see all I have to do is get that past the distributor and we're in. And the fan won't let us go very far here. So.
Frank, why don't you let me hold the car and you guys can pull?
What was that?
That was me going past the distributor. We're past.
And the fan.
We're past.
The fan belt.
Rotate the fan. All right, you're ready to go sideways. You think you can do that? You got enough oomph?
Yep.
We're going to take that fan out before we put it back in. You know that, right?
Or before.
How we doing? I'll go to the back and try to pull him from the back.
Oh wait, no, Frank, don't get ahead of me here.
I'm not sure.
Now you need to push back on the. Can you push
can't.
it? Oh, I need to, no, it's okay. It's okay. I'll have to pull forward on the body on the here.
I think you can go on sideways now.
What? No,
No, it's something caught here.
What do we hit?
There you go.
There.
Can you do this like this? Can you
Yes.
hold it like this?
Hey, when you're so close to success,
Yeah, what's breathing? Huh?
breathing is the last thing you're going to think about.
Frank, you're going to run into your stuff over here on the.
Not too bad.
Oh.
Stop. There's your... Okay.
How we doing? You know what? We're out.
Now wait. Now let's get right behind it, Frank.
You want to go that way?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Watch.
We're okay. We're okay.
There's just a few things. It's your... You see where you...
Look at the body coming around.
Oh, wait. You can't move it against the jack. You can't move it. You want to pull it this way?
Just a little bit.
Wait a minute. Let him push, Kurt.
Now, put that under that thing, and I would feel a lot better.